So I forgot to film an intro for this video. This is what we cleared on the last video. So if you haven't watched the last video of the house, go watch it, then you can watch this and it'll all make sense. Right, to the video. Okay, so we switched to the mics because it's getting a little bit windy, so hopefully the audio is a lot better and I don't have to do a voiceover for this part. However, the driveway, you can actually see the corner of just after the driveway. Makes it a lot easier to actually see this curb because everything was overgrown even to here. We cut down a lot of these sort of weed branches.
Now, actually, hang on, let me interject. Kane did all of this. This is all Kane's side. I did not touch. This was all like thorns, and he kept on getting stabbed. I didn't even get to do any of this bit. This was literally all him. And this part was like, bull.
I was attacking it for a few hours. Those white sticks you can see there, that is mainly thorny stuff, and I want to get some good gloves because after getting stabbed in the hand about a million times, I was like, okay, no, we cleared enough. We can see the vision. It's fine. Another really cool thing is, I'll just jump over here. Jackie, you can zoom in. Ah, brambles. This concrete wall, like these stones, this was not visible at all before. I didn't even know this is what we had. I knew we had the fancy concrete shaped wall. I'm not sure what it's called. If you know what it's called, actually, can somebody put in the comments? Because I don't even know how to Google search it at this point. But yeah, all this is cleared. You can actually see the front of the house. That's more like thorn stuff, so that's all going to get cleared properly next time we come back to the house. Obviously, the major progress of the house is you can actually see the house from the roads now, which is huge. Weren't able to before, way overgrown, really dense as well. We were attacking it like crazy, especially those rotating wheels of death. I will meet Jackie up here. So here you can see it's all been flattened. The fancy concrete wall is cleared. You can even see the top of it as well. All this will get, we're not quite sure what we're going to do. Most likely going to level it at some point, and then this will be a nice seating area where we'll have barbecues and chill, have food, look at the cars after the drift days. It'll be really nice. Lots of old dead trees, lots of these sort of weed trees as well. Lots of rocks we uncovered. Those rotating discs, they do quite well when they hit a rock. They just sort of ding and bounce off. This is 1, 2, and there's many more piles of bamboo, trees, weeds, and we will get rid of it all. But as I said, this weekend has been about progress in clearing. Now when we stand at the front of the house, we can actually even hear the river. Because before, it was completely blanketed out. There was trees overhanging. It was really isolated. On newer things that we uncovered, there's actually concrete out the front of the house. So it's not very wide, but it's a solid base. The tarmac of the drive goes up to around just the edge of the door. And then from here, it is dirt. Ideas at the moment is a nice gravel, having a nice place to even roll a car up. We're not quite sure yet. As we move further on, you can see we have left a few trees. These are the nice ones. Obviously this one is dead. We're most likely going to have to remove this one as well. But we're trying to figure out what we want to keep and what we want to get rid of. We found out the concrete curb stone actually goes further than expected. It even goes down. This does look like a path as well, or at least a water drainage down past the bamboo. This was covered in bamboo before.
Like completely.
Bamboo was, I think, up to here. Oh no, it was in line with the tree. So this is the part Jackie's been attacking. She's just been going with a circular saw, taking it all down. We're trying to figure out where we want the bamboo forest to start and what height, etc. Our feelings at the moment is have the bamboo forest until the edge of the house and then have the height of the bamboo around the gutter height. How we do that at the moment, we are not quite sure. Most likely it's going to be step ladders and we'll get a hedge trimmer and just start chopping the top off and try and clear it and make it aesthetically pleasing. Because at the moment, I know I'm not tall, so it's not really a good reference, but it's high. Very high. Right, on to probably our biggest pile of bamboo at the moment. This is all from the little path down to the secret garden.
And here.
And here, yes. Because bamboo, it's easy to find out where it was. You can find all the old shoots at here. The bamboo was out to here. Jackie's been clearing it all.
Right, here's all these old shoots. You can still see them. They're pain in the butt.
And that'll all need to be essentially cut near enough under the ground so we can rake it all up. We will find a communal dumping area, dumping ground, or we were speaking to friends that if you live in Nihonmatsu, you can actually get rid of this greenery for free or for a very cheap price, like 50 yen. To be honest, it doesn't really matter. I just don't know how we'll get this to the dumping area.
I feel like, man, these are so long. There might be a couple of me swinging one around with how long they are. And I feel like you have to cut it in half, get like a K-trike, or you can figure out how to use
This is apparently for burning bamboo. So you light it up, and then you just drop the bamboo in, and it crackles. It goes tick, 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 tick. But that's a lot of bamboo to go through that.
Yeah, but that's one pile. We have like well over double that and more to go through. We still have to clear a lot of this from down in the garden.
We've not even went up to the shrine yet. We were hoping to get to that this weekend, but there's a lot more dense than we expected.
I'm pretty sure this bamboo isn't supposed to be here either. I think that this was supposed to be here. I don't think this was supposed to be here.
No.
It's not that tall.
It's not as tall, it's not as thick. It looks quite fresh. So the goal is we're going to clear that as well so we can see the shed, make it a bit easier to access. And then I had a quick rake here. So essentially this is what it'll all look like. Then we'll have to figure out if we want to do stones or nice like big boulders that we can step down to. This project is going to be forever ongoing. We all know about project cars that they're never finished, but the house project, from what I'm hearing and understanding, this house will never be finished. We'll always be doing something extra, something more. Okay, we want an onsen big bathtub, or okay, let's put it there. It'll be always ongoing. But the fact that we can actually walk down here quite freely now is incredible. Like before, you were having to fight through the jungle and it was a disaster. You couldn't really show anybody the property. Another pile of bamboo. We took turns between cutting and dragging, and as you can see, look how tall this is. One piece of bamboo. Where's a good one? Yeah. It's tall. It's really tall.
Maybe 0.5 that. You can probably hit me from here. It's pretty close.
Yeah. And this is our little secret garden that was not really accessible before.
You said you'd never been down here before.
No,
you never made
not
it here.
properly. Had a little look from the road, but I was not sure really what it was like.
So what it also looks like, a lot of this is going to have to go because, see, I don't know if you can see in the video, probably, it starts going up about there, and you can see it's encroaching like really hard in this tree or something. I'm pretty sure bamboo takes a lot of water and might kill these trees. It's probably why the trees at the front are dead. So I'm pretty sure this is going back up into that little curve, which comes around and meets back over there somewhere. So yeah, pretty sure all this bamboo here is fresh from the last 30 years of abandonment and has to go.
Yes. And chopping down bamboo is the fun part. Dragging it over there when it's all intertwined and twangled, and then there's vines attaching everything together. It's fun, but it's very time consuming. We have thrown the idea out here that it'll be like a little flower garden, so like depending on how the soil is or what can grow here, maybe lots of little flowers, maybe just some lavender everywhere, because lavender and a few other plants are really good for keeping certain bugs away. And Japan in summer, the bugs are terrifying. I'm not really that scared of bugs, but when they're huge, not for me. I have my Aquarius drink. I've been drinking a lot because even though it's still winter, we have been hit with 15 and 16 degrees the past 2 days. Today, a little bit chilly, that's why the hoodies are back on. However, clearing all this, you do work up quite a sweat. It's been good.
Gone through at least like 3 litres a day.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is good.
And then summer will probably be quadruple with ice creams and many things. And
yeah.
We need a cooler for beer, clearly.
A chili bin?
Chili bin, is that what you call them?
Yeah.
And as you can see from this point, we were just up there, and that was the path down where those wee cobblestones were, just in front of the house. And this is where Jackie's been whacking and getting rid of everything. You can see her pink power tool there.
My spinning wheel of death. And earmuffs, which someone should wear, but they don't.
Huh?
Oh, here's the wall close up.
Ah, yes. So I really like this wall a lot.
And some of the stones. I wonder where they stop here, because there's some big rocks going up there. We haven't been able to uncover it all yet, because I know, like, there now looks all barren, because Kane's actually, like, got to the dirt. But this is what it's all like. You can't even get to the dirt. This stuff is...
Yeah, there.
Thick.
Like, it is thick. And when you chop the bamboo off, you get left with these, and they're quite sharp and solid.
And you trip over them. I just fell. Trip over them. But, like, you can't really walk down this, because it's all just... Oh, there's big bamboo shoots there. Like, yeah, clearing this is actually a bit of work.
That's why. Leaf blower. More power tools.
Yeah.
So...
I feel like this wall's for drainage or something. Like, this looks like a drainage wall.
Yes.
You reckon? This is like an old one. They're like, we need a new flash one, maybe.
And it is beautiful. I want that to sort of be the centerpiece, a nice wee sitting area, the house, the cars parked up there. It's going to be perfect. We have room for everybody. It's going to be really nice. Can't wait to have a barbecue to celebrate like it being livable when everybody's over from Matsuri. And even this is a nice wee flat area just in front of the fancy stone wall. We'll clean this all up nice. Maybe put some trees or some flowers.
Lavender?
Lavender across there would be really pretty.
Maybe?
Yes.
Yeah. But quite a few of the trees are rotten. I think that all the weeds have just sucked the water out and they just haven't been able to live over the last 30 years.
Yep.
So they can go.
And that's literally a little tour of our progress so far. A lot of work, especially 2 people just going at it. It's been good fun. Lots of food in the evening. It's been great. And a lot of our friends are up here, so it's a good time to catch up. Thankfully, Japan has a lot of long weekends and public holidays, so we'll try and get up here as much as possible. Drift season is starting again. I am planning to compete in D1 down in Kansai region, so that will take up a bit of time. But with the help of you guys watching, it makes everything easier. So thank you very much. And yeah, hopefully you're happy with this little walkthrough, and I will try and...
Be consistent with the house videos.
Yes, we will try and be consistent with the house videos. We will get up here as much as possible. Jackie's car is still close to Ebisu. My car is coming back up to Ebisu soon. So we'll be up here to drive and work on house more often. So thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.